I'm gonna try to make edible glass for the first time today because I just made emo Sandy and she needs her little air dome thing or else she's gonna suffocate. So let's hope I can figure this out. No, Sandy! Just broke Sandy's neck there. So the recipe I found says to mix together 2 cups sugar, 3/4 cup water, and 2/3 cup light corn syrup. Then you're gonna put it on the heat. Don't mind those, that's to keep our cat from burning our place down. Now don't stop stirring until the temperature is 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which ended up being way longer than I thought it would be. Side note, they make way better thermometers than this, specifically for candy that just sit on the top of your pot so you don't drop them into the pot of molten candy like I did. That was a sticky and painful mistake, but it was the only thermometer I had. When it finally reached 300 degrees, I poured out different sized circles to hopefully have one good enough to use for Sandy's dome, and then I just had to wait for them to harden and cool. All right, so it's been cooling for like 2 hours, and I'd say it's pretty glass-like. Might need a little cleaning, but I'd say this works. Yeah. Motor really wants some of this glass. Doesn't taste like glass, but it's probably a good thing, right? And Sandy gets her little air dome. I think it works.